Hello guys, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up VPN on your phone Huawei, so let's start. So guys, at first you need to install Turbo VPN in the Play Market, or you can install VPN you like, but I recommend you to install Turbo VPN. So when you install this application, just click open right here, and click agree and continue to set up a VPN. So wait a couple of seconds, then close this ad and tap to connect right here on this caret. Okay, and then wait to connect to the VPN. So Turbo is finding the fastest server. So wait a couple of seconds and close this ad and ready guys. So we are connected to the Canada, to the Toronto. So if you want to choose another server, you can just click here and choose from a lot of different servers guys. So guys, if you like this video and if you like our channel, please subscribe and see you later guys. Bye bye.